Round 3. Oh!
Big shot.
Coming up next, it's a catchweight bout here. Musa Raish takes on Himanshu Kaushik.
Ladies and gentlemen, your next fight. Make some noise for Musa Raish.
And I'm not quite sure, Rahul, is there a penalty for the fighter that missed weight?
बिल्कुल अर्जुन वेट मिस करके मूसा ने 25% of अपना पर्स सरेंडर किया हिमांशु के नाम।
Way to the end of that cage.
तने कहते हैं कि कोई भी फाइट आसान नहीं होती।
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 59.8 kilograms, representing Gujarat. Give it up for Musa Raish! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 59 kilograms, fighting out of Silver Fight Club, and representing Delhi. Give it up for Himanshu Kaushik! Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins.
All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. We're going to keep it clean. Touch gloves and let's do it.
We're also raising the standards of officiating. We've got Herb Dean in the case today, and along with him, we also have Jim Petitios, who's also. Oh man!
Here comes that Wushu striking. Beautiful right hand. I say, Himanshu Kaushik, I've been seeing him for almost a decade. But the way he's moving, but it looks like Musa Raish doesn't have too many options. As he comes over the top, Musa now making a fight. Oh, look at that! Beautiful grip by Himanshu.
Excellent technique here.
Beautiful grip as Musa now. Come on, Herb Dean is one of the fairest referees in this sport. Musa now coming up with that left high kick. Himanshu swinging that big right hand. That's a crescent kick to come up the middle.
Came to the next level because striking is very easy.
This is where I'm saying that I came back with those beautiful takedowns, looking for a kick of his own there.
And that's
Big right hand
big
over
right
the top.
hand there.
Good.
On to Musa.
Fantastic chin on Musa. He took that like a champion. Success with that inside leg kick. I wish he just goes back to it over and over again because he was, and Musa sees it coming now. He's waiting for that moment to close the distance.
Oh, but you can see the problem that Musa is having in chasing Himanshu down.
His leg doesn't work as well, but look at this scene now. Now he's got a hold of him again.
Make some noise for Musa Raish!
Get ready to fight! Get ready to fight! Get ready to fight!
Representing Gujarat, make some noise for Musa Hunter Raish! Representing Uttarakhand, give it up for Abhimanyu, the Pahali Bees, Rai!
Let's go!
Shaking over. Low kick over there. But seems not to bother him. Ren moving around. Oh, wow. Oh, crazy exchange. Yes. He is.
He is 22 years old and
Savannah fan joining us here in the commentary section. 4:40 time, round 3. Oh, he got dropped. A perfectly timed haymaker. Up kick in there. A couple of minutes ago, they were doing grappling. Now it's a striking match. Oh! Someone is going down for sure.
so aggressive.
Yeah, marking there. Great start for this wonderful night. Here, Palazzo Versace.
Let's go, let's go. It's not done.
Elephant 6, and that is the end of the fight right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we go to the judges' scorecards. After 3 rounds of actions, all 3 judges scored about 28-29, declaring the winner by unanimous decision from
from the blue corner, Musa Rise.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner from the blue corner, Musa.
Let's go on to the next bout, which is a rematch. Now in a flyweight division between Musa Rash and Bon Jovi. Manan, they fought at MFN 5. Bon Jovi lost to Musa via decision.
Follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves, back to your corner.
This one's going to be an intense fight. You can see the crowd is live on this one. Ooh, nice leg kick to open up by Bon Jovi.
मूवमेंट को देख के हमें पता चल रहा है कितनी तेज ये स्ट्राइक करने वाले हैं और बहुत ही बेहतरीन लेग किक मूसा की तरफ से। दोनों ही फाइटर्स को अगर सेटअप करेंगे तो अटैक का लैंड
You guys can hear the sound of that kick. So much power.
The distance. Let's see who gets the first shot. Whoa!
Nice body shot. Both these guys really throwing heavy shots. Even one mistake and you're going to be knocked out.
ओह बहुत अच्छा पंच लैंड किया मूसा ने वहां पे। एक और लेफ्ट हुक। लास्ट टाइम मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 2 हुआ था दिल्ली में और आज मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 8 हो रहा है वापस दिल्ली में।
Big shots!
These
Big
guys are
shots!
heavy shots.
Bon Jovi is dropped.
Yeah, Bon Jovi needs to stay close. I like that forearm. That's a nice.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन नीज मारे हैं मूसा ने बॉन जोवी के हेड पे।
That's a great technique. That's a great technique. He did that before.
स्ट्राइक्स भी मार रहे हैं।
Great transition from Musa to get to mount. He's going to end the round. Dropping heavy body
shots here.
Heavy. Oh my God.
Elbow.
Nice elbow.
Brutal.
It's over.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have your winner for this bout. Musa Raish. Musa the Hunter Raish.
Musa finishes Bon Jovi.
Hold on. We might have a referee objection here. Hold on. I see some activity going on with the refs.
That elbow was devastating though. अब देखना ये है इतनी स्ट्राइक्स, नीज, पंचेस, एल्बोज लेने के बाद बॉन जोवी में कितनी जान बची है।
He's gonna be careful though, Musa. He's winning the fight. Everything's going in his favor. He just doesn't want to rush it. Nice spinning back kick attempt. Just keep beating on him. Drop those bombs and be careful not to get reversed.
बॉन जोवी एक और खतरनाक नी स्ट्राइक।
Now he's got another great position to be in. Mount. Very dominant position. He's trapping the arm.
Over here trying for a reversal. However, Musa is there doing the same thing again. Landing shots one by one.
मुक्कों की बारिश, एल्बोस की बारिश। Oh my God, बहुत ही खतरनाक स्ट्राइक्स आ रहे
Yeah,
हैं।
this fight looks like it's in the books for me.
एक के बाद एक बॉम्ब गिरा रहे हैं
short
मूसा।
elbow. I don't know how Bon is in there still taking this punishment, man.
आखिरी 10 सेकंड।
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you.
It's
Finally.
over. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got the winner for this bout. Musa Raish the Hunter. What an excellent fight this has been. This was a rematch.
और मूसा अपनी खुशी मनाते हुए केज में नाचते हुए, क्या कमाल की फाइट थी।
So let's go on to the next bout. We've got Musa Raish taking on Clinton De Cruz. John, both these guys are undefeated in the promotion with 3-0. Clinton has more wins on the ground via submissions.
Let's see who can dominate here.
क्या बात है, बहुत ही कड़क शुरुआत, एक भी सेकंड नहीं देना चाहते हैं ये दोनों। क्लिंटन लेके गए मूसा को ग्राउंड पे।
Clinton doing a good job of keeping pressure on top.
खून,
landing some very nasty short
Look
elbows.
at the blood, John.
Is it Clinton? Is it Clinton?
I can't tell, guys.
Man, these guys are.
Oh yes, it is.
I think
Clinton.
it looks like Clinton.
It is Clinton, bleeding profusely from those short elbows there.
Oh
We got
my
a head and arm
goodness.
choke.
Oh, this could be it.
This
could be
it,
it,
guys.
This could be it.
बहुत खतरे में है यहाँ मूसा, पूरा जोर लगा रहे हैं क्लिंटन इस चोक को खत्म करने के लिए।
Clinton has locked Musa in an anaconda choke. Well, it looks like Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Been on a win streak before that. Let's look at the tail of the tape. Himanshu Kaushik, 30 years of age, 165 centimeters in terms of height. Made weight, 56.7. His style is wushu. And his opponent, we've got Musa Raish, 27 years of age. Musa has 10 centimeters of height advantage. He's 175 centimeters. Weight is almost the same, 56.6.
फ्लाईवेट का एक जबरदस्त मुकाबला शुरू होने जा रहा है. ब्लैक एंड ब्लू ट्रंक्स में है मूसा रैश, व्हाइट एंड ब्लू ट्रंक्स में है हिमांशु कौशिक.
Himanshu taking it easy.
I am very impressed with his wrestling right now.
And now Musa fires back with a head kick of his own.
You can see how wide his stance is now, going to try to prevent those takedowns, which ultimately open him up for striking.
I think Musa is reworking on his strategy. You can't trade kicks with a wushuka.
That low kick rattled Musa, but then he caught the next one and charged in. इस दूसरे राउंड में.
Guys, one thing I want to point out here is Himanshu is doing a really good job of setting up his strikes and keeping his lead leg on the outside of Musa's lead leg.
एक अच्छी किक मारी वहां मूसा ने जवाब में.
I think this is a part of the plan. Himanshu is making Musa look desperate here to land shots.
Oh, अच्छे पंचेस लैंड हुए इस बार मूसा के लिए. और यहाँ पे टेक डाउन की कोशिश फिलहाल हिमांशु डिफेंड करते हुए. क्या बात है, लेकिन अंत में टेक डाउन मिल ही गया मूसा को.
Musa takes Himanshu down.
But these little rabbit punches and these short little elbows take their toll.
And round 2 comes to an end, ladies and gentlemen. What a fight. मूसा काफी जोश में लग रहे हैं. एक बढ़िया बॉडी किक लगाई वहां पे.
Back to it, guys.
Oh, बहुत ही तगड़ा मुक्का लगाया वहां मूसा ने.
Another takedown by Himanshu.
फाइट में हमने देखा हिमांशु खुद टेक डाउन ले रहे हैं और उसके बाद बहुत अच्छा कंट्रोल भी कर रहे हैं फाइट को नीचे.
Musa looking for a triangle or an armbar in this position here. Himanshu says no way. Nice up kick right to the face of Himanshu.
Beautiful combination. Solid
Musa
mukka
with that slam and the dance. Now a bit of jogging here, and that's it. That's it. What a fight, guys.
That was a good fight, guys.
Very entertaining.